Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running Plex Media Server in Docker. After logging into the server that's going to be running Docker, we need to install a few prerequisites that Docker requires. We'll run apt-update to update our software repositories, and then apt-upgrade to install any available software updates. Then we'll install the prerequisite packages required for Docker. We'll add the Docker GPG key, and then add the Docker apt repository, and finally install Docker Compose, and Containerd. Once the installation completes, we're going to make sure the Docker service is running and add the current user to the Docker group, then re-authenticate the logged in user. Now we have Docker installed and running, we need to create working directories for Plex Media Server. Then we'll set ownership of the working directories we just created. And finally, use the Docker run command to start the Plex Media Server Docker container. Once the container downloads and initializes, open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host, :32400. Log in using one of the authentication methods, or create a Plex account if you don't already have one. After logging in, click the Got It button. Then step through the Server Setup Wizard to configure the Plex Media Server. Enter a name for this Plex Media Server and click Next. Click the Add Library button and add directories to be imported into your media library. Click the Next button after you finish adding media folders. Then click Done to complete the Setup Wizard. Welcome to Plex Media Server, running as a Docker container.